Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can change the name of your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, you need to get to this YouTube channel page. To do that, just from YouTube, head to the top right and click on your profile picture and then click on View Your Channel. Make sure you've got the correct account selected. If you don't, click on Switch there and you'll be brought here. And what you need to do is go and click on Customize Channel just here. It will take a moment to load and you'll be brought to the channel customization page. And what you want to do is come over to the right here and go and click on Basic Info. And as you can see at the top here, we've got the option for name. And then what you can do is go and type in your name. It does say here changes made to your name and picture are only visible on YouTube and not other Google services. And you can change your name twice in 14 days. So in this case, I want to name the channel Tutorial. After typing name, just go to the top right here and go and click on Publish and your name will be changed. So that's basically how you can change the name of your YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.